Hi guys, it's me again, Iviwe. Um, Today, I just want to take a live trade with you guys. Um, Trading the strategy that I showed you earlier. It's the channel strategy. So basically, I'm using iOS. As you can see, I've already entered into a buy trade. Let me turn the screen quickly. This is Euro USD daily chart. As you can see, the structure of the market, it's making higher highs and higher lows. Let me just use this thing here to show you um, basically the movement. If you're looking at this, starting at this point here, you're right, and then it goes up and then it resists here. Look what happens then. Bullish candle, bearish engulfing candle, and it moves down, and it moves down, and it moves down. It moves down and does not pass this area, you understand? But here I would have not entered a trade because it didn't reach this section, this line here. So look what it does again. It goes up. If I was here at the time, I would have entered a sell trade because it touched this area here. And look what it does again. It moves down. It still doesn't touch here, so I do not enter a trade here. This is probably where I would have exited. It moves down, and it touches now. You understand? Once it touches, I was there when it touched. So what I did, I entered a buy trade. Why did I enter a buy trade? Because I expect this to go back up and hit this line here. You understand? So this is why I entered a buy trade. So let me just show you quickly how you enter a buy trade. Um, in this case, this is iOS. So I'll just hit this bar right here. Let me flip the screen now. Um, Top right corner, there's this square box there. I'm clicking on that square box. This will show up on iOS, and I just dial up my volume to whatever I want. But in this case, I want to trade with 3 lots. So I'll click in the center here and I'll delete this here and just write down a 3 because I want to enter in 3 lots, meaning that I'll make 3,000 more than I would have made with 0.01 lots. So yeah, 3 lots means it's 3,000 units, 300,000 rather, 300,000 units of base currency. So so now I'm about to buy 300,000 units of the base currency, meaning that of the euro, and it's valued at a US dollar. And in this case, I'm gonna enter. It says 1.17852, so that's the current value of it. So whatever amount here I'll be making will be more. So I'm gonna click that buy. It's a one-click execution. Why is it not executing? Oh, it did execute. Yeah, so basically there I'm in because I've clicked many times. Now I have many trades running. I have one trade, a 0.01 trade, and I have a a 3 lot trade. So let's just wait for this trade to run out. Now, oh sorry, I forgot to set my take profit. Now when I'm looking at this chart, I'm thinking that somewhere along the line it's going to face some resistance, you understand? So I'm looking at the resistance area, and I find that it's resisted here more than once, you understand? So price is not past that section more than once. I do expect the price to go and hit that area, but because I feel like I will have made enough profits at this area, I would set my take profit right there. So I'll click on the buy line. Wait, let me change my screen again. I'll click on that buy line and I'll set my stop loss. On iOS, you just click on that line there when it says buy, it will show these things up. So I'll set my I clicked the wrong one. So the bottom here, there's a SL and the TP, meaning that it's stop loss and take profit. So now I want to set my take profit. As I told you earlier, I saw the level that I want to take my profits at. So I'll move this line right there. You understand? And then I'll set my stop loss. You understand? So let's check for my stop loss. Let me move this again. um, I can see now here. Let me use this thing as a cursor. If you can see here, um, price has been resisting for quite some time. Um, because it has been resisting for quite some time, I'm expecting that this price, now it's also hitting a resistance line. I'm expecting it not to go past this area right here. You understand? Let me quickly set something that's going to highlight it here. Um, Click on the screen. Sorry. Let me turn this again. Let me find another instrument. If you see here, right here next to that F sign, there's these shapes here, that circle and a box and a triangle. I just clicked on there. It has all my instruments here, so I want to highlight with the box. So I'll click the box and I'll highlight where the wicks have been rejecting. If you're looking at this, there are wick rejections. Wick rejections on this candlestick. If you remember on the course, I told you about wick rejections or shadows. I just want to highlight those shadows there. This is basically my brick wall. So it's a brick wall, guys. I'm not expecting price to go past this brick wall. It can if it wants to, but I'm not expecting it to. So this is where I want to set my stop loss. You understand? Just under that brick wall there. Let me go there and let me touch quickly on that. Where's my stop loss now? Okay. Take profit. Wait, I'm just going through some phases, guys. Sorry. Making a lot of mistakes here. Okay. Now I've set my take profit. Now I'm expecting my stop loss to not go past this area. You understand? So this is the area. I was hoping it would be tighter in this area, but since price has managed to go up here, so I'll put my stop loss here and I'll confirm the trade. Understand? I'll modify. So these are the trades that are running, guys. This is a demo account, by the way. These are the trades that I've executed here. As you can see, I'm winning all of these trades except for one. So this means that this strategy is 100. It's not 100% foolproof, but it is foolproof. As you can see, I entered a trade on Bitcoin. Euro USD is the one we just entered now. It's winning, as you can see. No, it's this is the one we just entered now. As you can see, it's at 350. It's now making shitloads of money. Excuse my language. Um, all the trades that I've placed are currently winning now. You understand? Because of that strategy. So yeah, guys, let's just wait for it to run. Basically, this trade is going to run because I'm trading on a daily chart now. It's going to run for quite some time, so I won't be coming back to this. Maybe I'll be checking up on it in 2 months' time or next month. You understand? Because I'm trading on a daily chart. If I was trading rather on a scalping time frame, on the 5 minute time frame, or the 15-minute time frame, or the hourly time frame, this trade would have moved much quicker. 15 minutes, I'll be trading for a day, and I'll make my profits. 1 hour could take a week. 4 hours it could take weeks. Depends on how the market is acting at the time. If the market is very volatile, or if the market is making huge movements, um, this means that the trade will move much quicker. So yeah, guys, I hope this was valuable information for you. Oh yeah, and another thing, when you are trading on a channel, you need to be careful not to execute trades when the price is close to a resistance area. Let me make an example here. You see here, this is a resistance area. You understand? Let's say this line here, this line that I'm pointing with my cursor here, I'm calling this a cursor, guys. With my cursor here, let's say this line was very close to this resistance that's here. You can see it's in the middle of nowhere. If it was too close, I would have been too cautious not to enter the trade. You understand? I'm not saying do not enter it. You should enter it, but you must be cautious of these resistance areas because resistance areas are most likely to stall your price. If you're looking at this chart here, the price moved here and bounced off here, went down. it came back up. It couldn't push past this resistance area. This is a resistance area where you see a rejection and price is not moving. You see it's testing now, and it goes back down and it comes back. Still cannot pass this whole area. It can't pass. You understand? Then it goes back down and it goes up. Still can't pass. You understand? I would have been cautious to enter here, a buy trade here. I would have been cautious because I can see it's a bullish engulfing candle. It really confirms a buy. I would have been skeptical of entering here because I know that when once price does not cross, goes down and retests, it's most likely it's going to go down and come back again and retest. So I would be skeptical of entering a buy trade with the fears of that. It's not going to pass that area of resistance here. There's a imaginary brick wall there, and it's going to go down again and it's going to hit here. So I wouldn't have entered this trade. Even so, it's not going to go far. It's just going to end right here. You understand? So it's better to wait for it to come back to retest in that area. Make sure that this area is clean. So I looked around and I see that this chart has not been resisting for quite some time. So after this is called a pin bar. When you see this on resistance, you know that price is going to go up. So as soon as this thing resists, you don't have, as soon as you see this thing resist and it makes a pin bar, don't hesitate, just go into the trade. Now it's, you see, now it's a pin bar and it's an engulfing candle. This 100% confirmation that this price is going to go back down. So I would have entered here if I had seen this. I know it would have been a sell and I would have made profit on this line. Now here, the reason why I'm entering here is because resistance is here and I don't see any traffic here. You understand? So I don't see places where price has been resistance, where bullish action has been resisted beside this area. So I'm putting my take profit here because I'm expecting the price is going to go up there and hit my take profit. It's most likely going to come back down and retest this area. You understand? It's likely it's going to do that, but it's expected to come back to this line. So I'm just playing it safe by putting my first take profit here. I know I would have made enough money here. That's why I just decided to put it here. So you must watch we must watch out for those support and resistance areas. You must watch out for resistance area rather. Where you see that price is going to resist, that's where you're supposed to be taking it to put your take profit. So yeah, guys, but I'll be showing you in more detail once we start trading. I hope this was informative for you and have a great day. Goodbye.